That went sideways. Literally, literally, physically, and everything in between. We're gonna get it. It smells like shit in here. Whenever you're working something, find motivation to do it. In this case, I gotta poop. Really starting to get down to business on Mark. So as you saw in the last episode, the motor is pretty much all the way put back together. I mean, there's a few things here and there, regular small little baby things, not a big deal, things I can finish in a weekend. I just need to get the parts to do it. So while I'm waiting on those parts, we're gonna go ahead and start putting the chassis back together. That meaning put the axle back underneath of it, then get it to roll on the ground, fix the brake line that's someone did a terrible job of putting on here. And then we can put the cab on the truck. And then after that, the bed, the motor, all the good stuff. Like we're almost done. Seriously, we're almost done with this truck. I'm freaking pumped to at least be able to sit in the truck again, because I have not even looked inside this cab since the day we took it off. I don't even know what's in there still, because I haven't even looked inside there. My ex-girlfriend's crap could still be in there. If it is, I'm burning the whole freaking cab. But let's not worry about that right now. Let's get a cap set on this frame. Got us 2 sets of U-bolts to put on our truck, because I had to cut the other ones off to get the axle off. Got the axle laying over here all painted up like you guys saw the last time we pretty much worked on the axle. The brake line is right here, which oh my god. Okay, let me just tear that out of the way real quick here. Okay, well there's part of the brake line. Somebody who put the brake line in here just ran it literally up over the frame and all that good stuff and didn't really care. So luckily, they have a new line up to at least right here and a compression fitting on there already. So that means I can just tie into it right there, run her pretty much straight back, put a 45, another 45, bring it back here, bring it through the shock mount, bring it around, do a 90, boom, right into there. Run the flex line to the axle, woo, done. Ain't nothing but chicken wing. Got the whole axle put up. I haven't gotten the U-bolts on it or anything yet. I just got it sitting in the little dowel pins and whatnot. I only dropped it 2 times, so I think we're on the right path here. The only thing we gotta do now is drop in the, I don't have one around me. Drop in the little dudes that go underneath the axle, drop in the U-bolts from the top, tighten them up, and we're done with this. And then we can go onto the brake lines and then eventually put the cap on the truck. That one's on. Woo, buddy. I'm gonna pop the brake drums on so that I can roll it around on the ground if they go on. Well, I guess it'd help if you line it up too. There we go. Come on, baby. 3/4 tons, dude, am I right? 8 lug life. It's only my first 3/4 ton, my first 8 lug, so I'm really soaking up all the cliches on Instagram with the 8 lug life and all that bull crap.
Make me work, make me sweat.
So we're in a bit of a pickle here. Lucy came. So I dropped this down. Apparently the jack doesn't go low enough, and so like it's not touching these runners or anything. But here's the bad part. I can't jack it up or go any lower. I'm in a bit of a pickle. It didn't happen last time. This is our solution, is hoist up the back of the truck so I can get the jack out from underneath of it. 2 threads is safety. Oh buddy. Oh buddy, that sounds great. Handle clears on it. I'm gonna pull it out. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Oh, I don't like this.
Don't be scared. Just pull, just go.
Why is this heavier than the engine?
I don't know, because you're lifting a whole truck? Got it. Okay, don't drop it yet. Don't drop it yet. Okay, hold on. Okay, you're good. You can now drop it. We have our brake line now ran along the frame like it's supposed to be. Now I gotta take out these original fuel lines so that they're out of the way. Then we can put the cab on here and get a good clean install. There's like a million freaking zip ties that this thing's put together with. Okay, we might not get the cab on tonight. there's other stuff. There's other stuff that needs to get done up here first. Like everything that's right here. This is like, God, it's caught on everything. They had this running over the linkage, which I don't like. It's supposed to be like underneath the linkage, but I mean, it's just, there's only so much I can do right here. It's so freaking messy. I'm gonna have to go through and clean all this stuff up. All right, my solution to hold this thing up so it's actually clamped in there, it's not wobbling everywhere. Put the old few zip ties through the frame, y'all. This line was like kind of kinked, but not really kinked. It's broke now. That's the one I just re-ran. And I thought it was good. It's not anymore. Luckily though, it's got a compression fitting right here, so I can just go right up here. Not that big of a deal. Still really annoying though, really obnoxious, and I'm really ticked that I did that. And I already zip tied it up. Crap, dude. Dang it. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood to work on a piece of junk. Right now, I'm getting ready to start building brake lines. I decided to just go ahead and do it while the cab's off. Screw it. If I need to adjust it, I need to adjust it. Not that expensive to do. So, I've come to the conclusion that the owner before me was half beaver. Judging by how everything's put together, it's all chewed up and put together like crap. But I'm not gonna do the whole brakes right now. I'm just gonna do that single brake line, just so I can at least get it underneath the tank and out from underneath the cab. So that way, when I go to sit the cab down on the frame, I don't have to worry about everything underneath the cab that has to be worked on and fixed and everything. Get that all done and out of the way. So, does that mean we're gonna get a cab on today? I have no idea. We're gonna find out ourselves. I'm kind of wishy-washy, but I finally decided we're gonna shove the frame outside right now, clean up in here, and we're dropping the frame of the body on this thing. I'm tired of waiting. I want to be able to sit in my truck again, and I'm tired of waiting. We're just gonna make it happen. If it's gonna be a pain in the butt to put the brake line back on it, so be it, dude. I just want to be able to work on my truck again. I miss working on, or sitting in it, I mean, and I want to sit in it again. And so we're gonna shove it out, clean up some. Let's set the body on this thing. I'm excited. I need to finish this because I gotta go to 10200 really bad. Whenever you're working on something, find motivation to do it. In this case, I gotta poop. Dang it. That's so close. It needs to come out like literally just half an inch, maybe if that. Alright, a little bit of wood later, we have clearance. Alright, now we can shove this thing all the way underneath and then line it up and then do the painstaking task of dropping the cab on it. Let's go. Dude, it's lined up like perfectly. We're ready to drop this thing on here. Oh my god, I never thought I'd see the day. It's a little emotional for me. Alright, let's drop this thing down. This is the hardest part here because I have to drop it down in the proper location. And it's like 2.5 feet off the ground. Not exactly easy, especially when I'm by myself. Kind of sketchy, but so I don't know. I'm definitely gonna drop the back down first because the front wants to roll forward, oddly enough. So I'm gonna start by slowly lowering the back. See how that goes. Okay, that side is done. Lowered down, or at least for now it's done, lowered down. Now I gotta do this side. So we're getting the part where we can actually start sitting the 4x4s down on the frame and then go from there, but my goodness. All right, you know, let's just do it. Don't be scared, just do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I can do it. I changed my mind. No, I didn't. I'm gonna do it. Use your resources. Don't look at me sideways, you know you do it too. Okay, I finally have the system figured out, so what I'm gonna do is lower it down. We got this between the tank and the transfer case, this 4x4, so it's on both frame rails. Lower this down onto those 4x4s, then move over to the front, lift it up, take that out, lower this all the way down. We're getting there, slowly, but definitely surely. So the sketch level just got raised to level 5 stars. The only thing holding the front of this up right now is a 4x4 on the top of my jack at the very front of the cab. The 4x4 got pulled out, the long one, and now I got a few 4x4s sitting on the mounts so that I can lower it down ever so slowly. That went sideways, literally, physically, and everything in between. But I think I got it. We're gonna get it. We have the front 2 bolts in. Believe it or not, they are in. These 2, pretty well freaking lined up. Very well lined up. Just a little pull here, pull there. Oh my goodness. It's finally on. Holy crap, that's so much work to get here. But we did it. Okay, before I leave tonight, I want to sit in my truck again. Oh my gosh, dude. It's bringing so many memories back. Steering's not hooked up yet, nothing is hooked up. I'm just glad I get to sit in my truck again. Holy crap. I've never even driven this thing. I've only sat in it like 3 times. Holy crap, is it nice to be able to sit in my truck again, dude. Oh my god. Guys, thank you so much for watching this stupid adventure of mine that I went overboard with doing things in this truck that didn't need to be done. But I did them nonetheless, and I cannot thank you guys enough for watching these videos. It means the freaking world to me that you guys care enough to watch these. I cannot wait to drive this thing again. Or drive in general. I've never driven it at all. I can't wait to drive it. I'm so excited. And I hope you guys are there to see it. So, everybody, take it easy. Have a great freaking day. Don't do what I do. Have a good one.